Hello and welcome to another AIC Productions video. This is part 2 of repainting the hood on my Mazda Protege. As you can see, I have my temporary paint booth set up. Car's all taped up. And I finished sanding the hood on Friday. Then Saturday I waited for this touch-up paint to show up. Now I've been using their pen one to do a lot of touch-up, and it's been pretty close to the right color. Not perfect, but I figure if I'm doing the whole hood, it'll probably actually be better because, you know, I'm taking off the clear and painting it. And I bought one can because typically a can of spray paint's plenty to do a couple of coats. This one, it says, I believe it says on here somewhere that it's 13.5 ounces. If this has 13.5 ounces of paint, I am a monkey's uncle. I actually bought 2 more. They're on their way. But I bought them last night. They probably won't be here till midweek at the soonest. So probably until next Saturday again I can finish this up, which is not what I was hoping for. Hopefully they'll come in sooner. But places like here where there was, whatchamacallit, Bondo, obviously need a thicker layer of paint. But I think it looks pretty good and will turn out really well once I have all the correct paint on there, and then we will clear coat it. So, do I have the stuff here? Yeah. So this is the paint I'm using, and one of the reasons why I'm using this brand is because they were the ones who were able to get it to me the soonest. So there were a couple brands that were cheaper, but their timeline was like a 2-week lead time to get the paint. I just don't have that much time. For the clear, ooh, these are the cans of clear. Now these say they have 11.8 ounces, and these feel individually twice as heavy as that. That supposedly had 2 more ounces of paint in it. So this is the Max Clear Glamour. The number on there is 368006. Now this is the 68 or 61. So 3680061. I'll put a link to these in the description down below. This is exactly the one I've used previously, and it matches the factory clear really well. But it's kind of expensive. This is way more expensive. This was kind of expensive. This was $26 for this one can with $10 of shipping, so it was like $37 for one can. I believe I paid $55 or $60 for the 2 cans. So it's not cheap. This is not an inexpensive project, that's for sure, especially since I'll need at least 1 more can, probably 2. But yeah, so the label on here, if I look at this right, it says I think 7 ounces. That would be more correct. So anyways, should turn out really well, but it'll be a week longer than I was expecting it to, because I also need to fix some of the stickers. So it's kind of hard to see through this, but some of these stickers have lost their color, so I'm going to put a different sticker here. And then some of them are starting to come up, so I'm going to glue them. And when I clear coat this, I'm also going to clear coat this. I'm also going to clear coat my truck, since I have some clear peeling on that as well. Even though I've done my best to keep that waxed every 6 months, because it just sits a lot of the time, I'm probably going to clear it and then get a cover for it. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to answer those. And thank you for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. And like, comment, subscribe, whatever. I hate asking for that, but it seems to be effective. So like, comment, subscribe. Anyways, have a great day.